Behind the Mask with Ilya Bryzgalov.
Ilya? Okay, Ilya. Time to shut the door, time to close 5-hole, no more... Oh no, that one went in. Oh boy. Okay. Stop. Okay. Closing the door, not pissing your pants, closing the door. Not shitting pants, closing the door. That was good. We're going to get it together. We're going to stay in this league. We are not going back to Russia. Here we go. All right, guys, come on, get a f***ing goal. Just one, please, one f***ing goal. On the net, for Christ's sakes. Holy f***, hang me out to dry like some panties on a whore here. Get a f***ing goal. Focus now. Concentration, concentration. Focus in. No 5-hole, no 5-hole, no 5-hole. Oops. Forgot about Golov.